Eat honey and turmeric together every day for a week and see amazing changes in your body. Golden honey is a blend of turmeric and honey, two ingredients with long histories in Ayurvedic medicine. Individually, both honey and turmeric are beneficial for health. However, when combined, they create a powerful mixture with remarkable effects on the body. This video will explore the many benefits of golden honey. Stay with us till the end, as you might find some of the benefits quite unexpected. But first, let's understand, what exactly is golden honey? Golden honey results from combining honey and turmeric. This mixture is beneficial to various organs and systems in the human body. Turmeric, a spice used for medicinal purposes for centuries, is rich in bioactive compounds. These compounds can reduce oxidative stress and offer numerous health benefits. Honey, known for its sweet taste, also provides significant health advantages. It has been used as a natural remedy throughout history due to its beneficial properties. When consumed separately, both honey and turmeric are effective. However, their combined form, golden honey, amplifies these benefits. Let's explore these advantages further. 1. Reduction of inflammation. A primary benefit of golden honey is its potential to lessen inflammation. Studies indicate that both honey and turmeric are rich in compounds and antioxidants with strong anti-inflammatory effects on the body. Inflammation is a crucial part of the body's defense mechanism, aiding in healing injuries and combating harmful substances like chemicals and microbes. However, prolonged inflammation can lead to chronic conditions associated with severe diseases such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. The compound curcumin, found in turmeric, is believed to be largely responsible for its significant anti-inflammatory properties. Honey, containing phenolic and flavonoid compounds, also contributes to reducing inflammation. Together, these ingredients in golden honey work to effectively combat inflammation in the body. 2. Enhances energy levels. Golden honey can also act as a natural energy booster. Honey is a source of natural sugars, like glucose and fructose, which provide a quick source of energy. This makes it an excellent option for a natural energy boost, especially before or after workouts. Turmeric contains compounds that can improve blood circulation, further aiding in enhanced energy and vitality. For those looking for a natural way to increase their energy levels without resorting to caffeine or processed sugar, golden honey is an excellent choice. Regular consumption can provide sustained energy throughout the day, helping you to stay active and focused without the crash associated with artificial energy boosters. 3. Enhances immune system function. Golden honey also plays a significant role in enhancing the immune system. Honey is rich in phytonutrients, substances derived from flowers that offer protection against insects and ultraviolet radiation. These phytonutrients give honey its antioxidant, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. Chronic inflammation can weaken the body, including the immune system, making one more susceptible to illness. This is where turmeric's role becomes crucial. It aids in reducing inflammation, thereby supporting the immune system. The combination in golden honey ensures the immune system operates effectively, potentially improving the body's defense against daily threats like viruses and bacteria. Research also indicates that curcumin in turmeric can activate T cells, vital for the body's defense against external threats. This makes golden honey a valuable addition to a diet aimed at strengthening immune health. 4. Improves brain function. Golden honey has noteworthy effects on brain health. Research suggests that curcumin, a component in turmeric, may increase the brain's levels of a specific protein that enhances memory and cognitive function. This protein is crucial for the growth of new brain cells and may help in preventing brain disorders, including Alzheimer's disease. Honey, less commonly known for its brain health benefits, aids in the release of melatonin in the brain. Melatonin is a hormone essential for regulating sleep patterns and facilitating bodily restoration during rest. Consuming a small amount of honey before sleeping can enhance brain function, leading to improved performance during waking hours. Therefore, incorporating golden honey into your daily regimen could be beneficial for those seeking to improve cognitive abilities and overall brain health. 5. Assists in weight management. Golden honey can be beneficial for weight loss. Research indicates that turmeric's bioactive compounds can influence the body's fat burning and storing processes. This effect leads some scientists to believe that turmeric can aid in reducing body weight, fat percentage, and the waist-to-hip ratio. As for honey, while it is a form of sugar and high in calories, it should be consumed in moderation. Interestingly, studies suggest that honey can activate hormones responsible for suppressing appetite. This property of honey, combined with the fat regulation abilities of turmeric, makes golden honey a potential aid in controlling fat tissue growth, regulating blood sugar levels, and offering benefits to those with metabolic conditions. Thus, incorporating golden honey into a balanced diet might support weight management goals. 6. Supports respiratory health. Golden honey is particularly beneficial for respiratory health. Honey, with its natural soothing properties, can relieve throat irritation and cough. This is especially helpful during colds or flu. Moreover, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties make it effective in reducing respiratory inflammation, which is common in conditions like bronchitis and asthma. The combination of honey and turmeric in golden honey can help soothe the respiratory tract, ease coughing, and may assist in clearing mucus. This makes it a valuable natural remedy for those seeking relief from respiratory issues. Regular consumption of golden honey can contribute to maintaining healthy lungs and airways. 7. Aids in digestion. Golden honey, a blend of honey and turmeric, significantly enhances digestive health. Honey, rich in prebiotics, nurtures beneficial gut bacteria, essential for healthy digestion and a balanced gut microbiome. This natural support leads to improved digestion and may help prevent common digestive issues. Turmeric, known for its bioactive compounds, effectively alleviates symptoms like nausea, vomiting, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome. Its anti-inflammatory properties also reduce gut inflammation, often associated with digestive disorders. Together, these ingredients in golden honey make it a natural aid for maintaining a healthy digestive system, ensuring efficient digestion and overall gut health. 8. Promotes skin healing. Golden honey also has benefits for skin health, particularly in healing and rejuvenation. Honey is a natural humectant, which helps keep the skin moist and promotes healing. It is also known for its antibacterial properties, making it beneficial in treating skin wounds and preventing infection. Turmeric, on the other hand, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can accelerate the healing process of wounds and reduce scarring. The application of golden honey directly on the skin can aid in the treatment of minor cuts, burns, and other skin irritations. Its natural healing properties can also help in reducing acne and improving overall skin health and appearance. 9. Improves heart health. In addition to digestive benefits, golden honey may contribute to reducing the risk of heart disease. Heart disease, being a leading cause of death globally, is the focus of numerous studies. Both honey and turmeric are abundant in antioxidants, which are crucial in reducing cellular damage that can lead to various health issues, including high blood pressure. Furthermore, turmeric is believed to enhance the function of the endothelium, the lining of the blood vessels. This is vital for regulating blood pressure and preventing blood clots. Studies suggest that turmeric intake is linked to a lower risk of heart attacks, a major factor in cardiovascular diseases. Thus, golden honey not only supports digestive health but also contributes to heart health. Now that you are aware of the significant benefits of golden honey, let's discuss how to prepare this effective mixture quickly and easily at home in just a few minutes. Ingredients needed to make golden honey are 1/4 cup of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, a small glass jar or container with a lid. For the best results, it's recommended to use raw organic honey, preferably sourced locally. Local honey can be more effective in managing seasonal allergies. Once you have these ingredients, the preparation process is straightforward. First, combine the raw honey and ground turmeric in the glass jar. Then, stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure the ingredients are well blended. Lastly, secure the lid on the jar and store the mixture at room temperature. Over time, the ingredients may separate slightly, so it's a good idea to stir the mixture before each use. For optimal health benefits, consume 1 teaspoon of golden honey daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Always ensure the container is sealed properly and stored appropriately to maximize its shelf life. To ensure freshness and avoid any potential spoilage, it is recommended to consume the golden honey mixture within 30 days. After this period, you can easily prepare a new batch to continue enjoying its benefits. Countless individuals worldwide are exploring the health benefits offered by the potent combination of turmeric and honey in their daily lives. We hope that the information provided in this video assists you in incorporating this mixture into your routine for enhanced well-being. However, it's important to remember that the content of this video is not medical advice, but for informational purposes only. If this video has been helpful, please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your support is greatly appreciated, and it helps us continue providing valuable content. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching until the end. We wish you a wonderful day and remind you to take care of your health.